Naku, good news guys. I have a good news for you, especially for those who are or who's willing to apply in Brightly. Guys, naku, na-discover. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Kay, on July, the month of July, ang ako rang na klase is 4 lessons or 4 classes. Kay, since bago pa ko, so, kung mahimo dili sa abada. So, I just did 4 lessons, which is $3 per lesson. Kay I'm still in a probation period, which is I need to wait for 3 weeks so that it will increase. By the way, so mo to siya. So, ang ilang ingon is during every third of the second month, the owner of the Brighton will send you a payslip. Yes, they will send you a payslip so you can see there your, your earning and something like that. So, I received that payslip ganinang buntag. So, I checked there. Wagi ko kasabot ko. Sa maniwa ko kasabot. Perkabalo ko nga na ako'y penalty agi lagi atong na gi-assignan ko nilag paid student, which is supposed to be daily. And then, wa na ko na check. So, mo to, may gani, instead of $3, gi 1.5 na. So, mo to, na minus 1 to 1.5. So, supposed to be $12 ra madawat. Minus 1.5. So, less than ra. And then, nato gibutang dito, ako kasabot. Siyempre, bago pa gano'n. So, nato gibutang dito nga, na ay 2 conversions, which is $4 each. So, that is $8. And then, kung saan yung naman dito, ang total day na ako nga earning for that 2 days, which is 4 lesson, is $18.50 for just 2 days and 4 classes during the June game. End of the month naman ko nakastart. So, mo to nag-ask ko sa Discord. We have a GC man. So, I asked, sa dining conversion, I don't get it. And then, they said, na, if you are a demo teacher, for example, you're a demo teacher in Brightly, and then, for example, those students that you did a lesson, which is a demo lesson, if they will enroll in Brightly, you will get $4 in every student. So, out of my 4 students during that time, during the 2 days in the month of June, 2 of them enrolled in Brightly. That is the reason why I get $8 additional. Diba? So, dili lang ang pagtudlo ang imong ma-earn, guys. You will receive that kind of commission nga if that student will probably enroll or will purchase a package in Brightly, you will get $4 in every student. Diba? Talipay ko guys kay in the month of July, so since di naman to counted tong June, so start of July, naanak ko yung mga pila na 12 ka students, 12 ka lessons, and out of 12 students na ako'y mga sure ato nga mo purchase or mo enroll sa Brightly. So, na ako'y makuha nga $4 every student. Di ba imagine? First week pa tayo guys, first week ta sa July. So, how much more sa upcoming nga months, upcoming nga weeks. Di ba? So, dili lang ang katong makita nimo sa payment, dili lang kato imong ma-earn, kundi additional nga imong mahibalan after, during the payslip, during the salary. You can see there. Salipay ko guys. So, guys, you should try. You should apply in Brightly because you're not just earning to your lessons, but to those, you will get commission for those students who will enroll. So, sa mga students sila, pag-enroll na mo, kay nagi ko yung mga sures, na ko yung mga student nga sure good, kay mingon man ang parent nga, we will enroll good, and something like that. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Wala lang. Happy lang ko na ako na-discover, diba? So, hala di ay, kanindot pa po ani. Nga na day ka additional nga ma-earn pag na magpa-enroll, diba? Ay, kanindot. So, more to siya, guys. In 2 days, I already earned 1,000 plus. Calculate na anak ko, ha? And, they will also, what do you call it? They will compensate deduction if naamang gani deduction, if let's say sa PayPal ka, and then if na deduction, they will compensate that. And what else? And let's say for example you are a paid teacher in Brightly. So in that case, if you are a paid teacher in Brightly, and then let's say you already start teaching that student, and then first class pa lang na niya, if that student will buy another package, then you will get $4. That is considered as conversion. Yes. Okay. Marta, guys, if you wanna try it, Marta, you should try it, guys. Super worth it. And so pick up. But yeah, to be honest, it's really worth it. And yes, that's just it, guys. See you in Brighterly.